The A to Z guide to Bordeaux wines. Today, the letter L, as in the Libourne area. Let's discover the appellations of Saint-Emilion, Boreaux, and Fronsac. Hello, François.
Hello, Corentin.
Today, you're taking us to the right bank of the Dordogne.
Yes, in an area we call Saint-Emilion, Boreaux, Fronsac, a certain number of appellations which are located around the town of Libourne. Here we are about 40 kilometers to the east of Bordeaux city. So we'll find 10 AOCs in this category. They are to the east of Libourne, Fronsac and Canon Fronsac, and to the west, Boreaux and Lalande de Boreaux. And then we have Saint-Emilion, Saint-Emilion Grand Cru, and 4 satellite appellations, which are Montagne Saint-Emilion, Saint-Georges Saint-Emilion, Puy-Seguin Saint-Emilion, and Lussac Saint-Emilion. So together, all these appellations represent approximately 10% of the Bordeaux wine-growing region.
I know these appellations, but not as well as you. What else can you tell me?
These appellations were grouped together because terroir clay is often present here, but also clay limestone soils, clay sandy, and clay silicious soils. This clay is extremely beneficial for a grape variety that is planted in majority in this area, which is Merlot. You should know that in this category, Saint-Emilion, Boreaux, Fronsac, only red wines are produced. 2 other grape varieties are used complementarily: Cabernet Franc, which will give powerfulness and a certain amount of tannin, and perhaps to a lesser extent a little Cabernet Sauvignon.
Tell me about aromas, flavours, and matching these wines with food.
All these wines are made principally with Merlot, which has aging potential but also allows wines to be enjoyed relatively young. So according to the various areas like Fronsac, Canon Fronsac, where the wines are full-bodied, robust and powerful due to the clay limestone soils, they will match very well with all types of red meat. If we talk about Boreaux and Lalande de Boreaux, whose specific terroir feature is possessing clayey, sandy soils and soft sandstone rich in iron oxide, known locally as crasse de fer, this will give the wine a wonderful hint of aniseed and very silky, extremely creamy, smooth tannins. These wines will be superb served with white meat or even with foie gras. Then in Saint-Emilion, we'll find a limestone aspect in the terroir, which brings excellent minerality and lovely freshness to the wines that we can savour with lots of dishes in sauce, regional specialities, and in particular quails stuffed with foie gras.
Saint-Emilion, Boreaux, Fronsac. Now you know as much about Bordeaux wines as I do.